Welcome to igt&tech College. You will learn computer basic skills, computer programming language, website development, website designing, mobile repairing, software and hardware. Let's go. As usual, I'm Seti. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to download drivers, PC drivers from our website. It's easy. We have two methods. First, visit www.igt&techcollege.com. Then scroll down here to PC drivers. Click here. Then we have two main drivers, but there is two methods to download. I'm going to be showing you the first method and the second method. Why two method? Because some drivers is stored on GitHub and others stored on Google Drive. So let's start on Miracle Box. Is stored on drivers. So as you see, just here white, don't download one by one, just white. Then you see this word Miracle Drive Installation. Click here, then download. That is how to download the first drivers. As you see, preparing download, zipping file 1. Let us wait for zipping. After zipping, then it start automatically to download. As you see here, yes, tick. Then it have started to download. Choose a location where you want to download. It depends on your settings. So as you see, it's downloading now. Let's go to next method on how to download from GitHub. All is our drivers. Just choose any. Let's see, try to choose this driver or any drive. It's okay. You can click everywhere, no problem. Then because all is stored in one place. So let's try to RDA drivers or CPD or what. Click on it. You will be directed to this website. Let me show. Yeah, here. So as you see, the name computer driver for mobile tech PC drivers. You can click here on PC drivers if you want to see all in one store. Just wait. So after clicking on PC drivers, it will help you to get all drivers in one store. So let us wait. Yeah, you see all drivers is here. You can download anyone you want. Just choose which drivers you want for all devices. So then you click on the anyone you want. Click on any drivers you want to download. After clicking, you see this name here. Let me click on it. Yes, wait for loading until the name will appear here on this side. Yes, MTK6X, you see. Then click the download raw file. Download here. Click on it one time. It's enough. You see, that is our drivers. You can choose any drivers as I told you. Then click here on download raw file. It will download automatically after clicking here. You see. So you can also download on these 3 dots. Click on that 3 dots and scroll down to download. You can download even there. So let me believe that you got enough drivers for your PC. Or that's best option to download. So it's free of charge. Don't pay for it. Then let us download the last drivers. You can download any drivers. As you see here, Miracle Box installed, even MTK65XX downloaded. Then the next tip is how to download the Miracle Sander or to install Miracle Sander into your PC. Click on it, then click here. So to use Miracle Sander drivers box, it will ask you to disable window drivers signature enforcement. If you don't know how to do it, check the video on screen and you will find how to install this box of miracle sander. Thank you for watching.